spills across the glass. I watch the shadows move along. Every sound feels soft and slow, like it is part of some old song. There's a stillness in the air that wraps around me like a thread. Nothing rushing, nothing loud, just all the things we never said. And I hear it in the hush, in the space where words don't reach. Something honest, something close, something I could never teach. It's the quiet between birds, when the sky holds its breath, when the world isn't loud, and there's nothing left to guess. In that pause, in that space, I feel everything I've heard. All the truth lives right there, in the quiet between birds. Footsteps fading down the path, like they never made a sound. Every moment passing by, but never really leaving ground. There's a calm I cannot fake, there's a peace I cannot chase. It just finds me when I stop, when I let go of the race. And it lingers in the light, in the way the day just turns, in the silence that remains after every echo burns. It's the quiet between birds, when the sky holds its breath, when the world isn't loud, and there's nothing left to guess. In that pause, in that space, I feel everything I've heard. All the truth lives right there, in the quiet between birds. No need to fill the air, no need to make it loud. There's a beauty in the still that never begs a crowd. If I listen close enough, I can feel it in my chest, like a heartbeat finding time, like a moment finally blessed. It's the quiet between birds, where the soft light begins, where the noise fades away, and the calm settles in that pause, in that space. I feel more than just words, I find myself again, in the quiet between birds.